we are on Lexington Street. We're going to do a roof inspection of the Armenian Catholic Church. Beautiful facility. Holy Cross Rectory and Parish Center in Belmont. It's a beautiful place. What's going on here is they got a really nice standing seam roof. However, they've got some leaks up in the steeple. I believe it's because some of these covers have slid. We're going to go up and try to locate that problem. Well, it looks like wind-driven water could come blowing here. This is a weak spot, first weak spot that we noticed. This area here is always suspect anytime you come across any kind of breaks. The natural ponding. They say that they've had somebody here cleaning the gutters, and it doesn't look like there's been anybody here on this side cleaning the gutters. Absolutely hasn't been. So that's something we're going to want to do. I couldn't imagine not telling the truth to the father of the church. This is a beautiful, beautiful roof facility. Okay. So far so good. Looks like they've got a little bit of stress crack going on here and there. This is tight. Believe it or not, this lightning bolt right here, this is enough to cause some type of water getting in. Okay, wonderful. I think I found the leak. What I'm seeing here is the standing seams cover has been blown off, or somehow it's come off here and over there at two locations. From where they were pointing in the room downstairs below, that would line up directly with the rectory room below, where they're having leaks. What else do we have here? I'm noticing that there's one of those pipe covers are, you know, I mean, it's removed, so it needs to be put back on. Also have a problem on that wall where the stucco is coming away. I don't see this as being the biggest problem, but it definitely needs some roof maintenance. Okay, so see, it's a very weak spot. Somebody's tried to fix this. They actually mangled it. Same here. Same on the top here. Water can get in there and be running down into inside the church from that location. Makes it appear like it's coming from up above, and it's not. Absolutely, the top of that is causing a leak. It's wide open to the weather. This particular seam cover has been sliding. Push that back up. The rest of the steeple looks fine. Alright, now we're going to go to the other side where I absolutely seen something that was happening. So you have already some bent, dented seam cover. You know, this could be coming just from icicles coming from, I don't know who's been up here over the years, but, you know, I mean, you know, something like that could have caused that. You know, you're getting a little bit of flaking on the on the covers of this roof. It's something that we might want to address fairly soon with some type of a cover, you know, with a metal sealer. Looks like the first protective coating is starting to break down. We'll have to look at the specs on this particular roof and see, you know, how long of a warranty you guys were given, and what's recommended to go over this roof. You've got plenty of time. I don't think it's urgent, but it's something that you might want to be thinking about in the next 5 years. Okay, now we have a better view from up above, and you can see that there's an absolute breakdown in the seal, the finished seal on this one here for the first 5 feet. Somebody's been in here and tried to repair this. It's been an obvious ongoing problem or a leak, and it's just, you know, it's not holding up. It has to be done again. You do have some type of corrosion here that's worth speaking of. Absolute corrosion of the aluminum, and what causes that is maybe just a different type of metal has come in contact with that, or could even be, you know, the water. You know, it could be a hard water issue, and it's just, you know, this is obviously always underwater, so I'm thinking that there's some kind of breakdown right there. This corner here has been, the crap's been getting kicked out of it really good for a while. When we go to the other side, we should be fine. Absolutely, definitely right here. It's the same problem on the bottom of the stucco. And finally, right here. And the problem already, I can tell, is this church was done so long ago that they used tar paper. They didn't use ice and water shield. It's too bad. That's the case. So he needs general repairs. I think I can handle this.